Amjambo.
Tulikuwa tunakunywa maji wakati ambaye mvua inanyesha, sisi ndio tunapata maji. Lakini tumeshukuru World Vision vile walikuja wakatuchimbia maji.
We intervened in food security, we intervened even in peace building and disaster management. And that has seen lives being transformed in our community. For example, through the education project, we have done classes and school infrastructure across 40 primary schools.
It also serves 380 children from the schools around here, and also serves 5,000 livestock within Kaptir community.